important is human connection. Diet and exercise will lead to a healthy body, but human connection is critical for a happy, meaningful life. Social connection is the experience of feeling close to others. That's the key word, experience. I'm Bashinelli, and over the past few months, I've reflected on issues that are close to my heart: mental health, positive self-care, diversity, inclusion, and belonging. And I've created a series of workshops so that we can explore these issues of our times together.
I can go ahead and share.
This is like music to my ears.
I am so grateful.
One thing that I have to say is, never judge a book by its cover, and always be willing to be uncomfortable.
I was in one of the breakout rooms, very, very powerful, very honest, very vulnerable, and that vulnerability, I know, will help us deepen our relationship with others.
Each workshop includes a teaching, a conversation with a company representative, and guided breakout sessions where we can explore in real time with our coworkers what takeaways are most relevant to us here and now.
What's one step that, let's say, each of us could take?
Talk and listen.
It becomes that thing where you have to start with yourself.
Even if it's a song that puts you in a good mood.
Basically, if we change from judgment to awareness, then it would allow us to remove the excuses and actually make changes.
That's pretty awesome.
We'll explore how to create a safe space so that we each feel comfortable bringing our authentic selves to work. We'll look at how self-acceptance actually leads to deeper acceptance of others. Most importantly, coming together in a workshop format reminds us that we will always be stronger together than we could ever be on our own.